WYY, Whiskey Yankee Yankee. Don't get much more American than that. Let's go. WYY, Wide Point, stock closed at 1760 yesterday, 1762. We traded up towards 37 here today, but we've come back in. And as you just saw there on the chart, we had a lot of candles that were unable to take us above the VWAP. That's definitely going to be something to watch. Now, what's going on here? Wide Point selected as a single awardee of the DHS Cellular Wireless Managed Service 3.0 contract. 10-year IDIQ contract with a ceiling value of $3.1 billion. $3.1 billion. This is a pretty hefty contract here. Also, by the way, we had a rumor yesterday morning that Zacks HR investor was buying this stock. So now we had that rumor yesterday. Now we have this PR here today. Stock is popping 38%. Quick peek at the short interest on this one. 2% of the float is shorted, 1 day to cover. That is negligible. I don't even think you have to worry about that. Float on this stock, 8.3 million. On average, trades 136,000 shares. Today, it's traded 3 million. It actually has analyst coverage too, and it is unanimously good coverage from the three firms that have it. Let me actually go pull that here real quick. Analyst ratings, the three ones here that were recent. It's H.C. Wainwright and West Park. So I beg your pardon. It's just two. That one was from 2025. And the price target there is 9. So we are way, way above that. 13, do you have anything here on WYY? I almost did it again.
I'd have to spend a little bit more time looking into this, but if they're the sole recipient of a contract that could be worth up to 3.1 billion, then yeah, I can see how this would this would go like almost, this has got up to 38 almost. So yeah, this is like more than double what it started at. I think this is when you also have to be careful with. Look at the price action we had with this, and I do think that it could still come back up, but I don't know enough to be like, oh yeah, this thing is going to be at this price and it's going to do great. It could be really good. It could be worth more than the $38 it went up to, but I don't know enough about it. So looking at the chart. 65 EMA, that's going to be your next support. And clearly the resistance is at VWAP.
Yep, indeed. And we do have a fair value gap here. It is a wide one, and it is in the gap right now, but it is not yet bounced from that. Maybe you could make the argument that when it first came in here to the 15 EMA, bounced back to the VWAP, that was your fair value gap bounce. Okay, I can see it. Let's see what happens at this 65 EMA that 13 just talked about there. Value I have is 23.20.